Hello guys, welcome to Sparky Media once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to link your GoShare account to your WhatsApp account and start any money immediately from your WhatsApp activities. Now, for those of you who are yet to join GoShare, what are you still waiting for? Are you guys not aware that this platform have been paying people thousands of naira every blessed day, and they are paying massively? So for those of you who are yet to join, I'll be leaving the registration link in the comment section of this video. Go to comment section, go there, and the link is there. Use it to register and start earning. And if you have any other question apart from how to connect your GoShare or how to link your GoShare to WhatsApp, please, the comment section is also open for you. You can comment there. You are going to see where they say log into WhatsApp. You see this place here, click on state. When you click on state, you can see this is where you log into WhatsApp. Now the minimum withdrawal is 1,000, but I'll explain further after I show you guys the procedures on how to link your WhatsApp, okay? Because that's the first thing you need to do after your registration. Click on log into WhatsApp. So when you click on login to WhatsApp, you can see this place here. First of all, make sure if you have WhatsApp business already, make sure it's updated. Then that particular phone number you use, put it here, write it here, okay? So that is what you are going to do. Then click on gate. Click on gate. Once you click on gate, you wait for it to load. Now the code is here, so tap. So scroll down, you can see this place here, enter code to the link. So you click on confirm. So you need to drag your notification toggle down. When you drag your notification toggle down, you will see this thing here. Now you click on confirm. Use mobile data. So you will require to enter your device this thing. So the code you want to share with, come back here to copy the code. So I've copied the code. So you can see. So we are now logging in. Make sure to follow this procedure so that you can get everything correctly. Just put any name of your choice. So link a device. So that is it. It is done. I think it's done. Let's go back. So that is it, guys. You can see. You can see WhatsApp has successfully bonded GoShare account. Check whether the account meets the requirements. Click on good. So you can see it is done. You can see that I'm online now. So that is how it's been done, guys. Now I have showed you guys how to link your WhatsApp to GoShare platform and earn money. Now, once you are done that, click on home. When you click on home, here are the tasks which you need to do. New users bonus, click on it. So this